a name. I was a wave without a shore, a field of light, nothing more. No edge to hold, no shape to warm, just breathing gold before the form. I wore a face, I wore a flame, built my body out of name, but underneath the fear I formed, you were there before the form. Everyone I tried to be was never what was holding me. Every story had to fall to hear the pulse beneath it all. Forgive this corrupt name, forgive this fragile frame. I never knew the flame. I called it loss and pain, but you were in my veins before I felt the rain. There was no fall from grace, no distance left to trace. I never left your space. Before this skin was worn, before this self was formed, I was already home, already home. You were the particle and sea, the silent breath inside of me. No distance left between the